people. So it's like I was reading this book called Rework. I finished reading it, in fact, and I read it in the train when I was traveling to Isha Yoga Center. And Rework is all about the fact that basically there is this online application called Basecamp. So the people who've written this book, that is Jason Fried and David Hansen, they've created that it's like, yeah, base camp it is called. And online, it's a easy way to connect. Yeah. And no, there's another word for it, I forget. But these people, these folks, they created it. So do try and read it, people. It's called Rework, and you can find it on Amazon. So this, I've not really eaten anything since morning, so I'm a bit woozy. So anyway, I thought I'll record this video. On that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.